These images you are looking at right now are not taken by satellites. These are not CGI or any kind of animations. These are captured by real human eyes, by real astronauts floating in our space. Real people looking at Earth from hundreds of thousands of kilometers away. These are not ordinary people. These are the chosen ones to leave Earth. Reed Weissman, the leader of the mission, Victor Glover, the pilot guiding them through the space, Christina Koch, the woman who will go further than any woman before, Jeremy Hansen, the first Canadian to travel this far, four humans chosen to represent all of us. It all started on July 20, 1969, when a human being stepped on the moon for the very first time. That man was Neil Armstrong, and his words became immortal. That is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. This mission was part of the legendary Apollo program. After this, for a few years, humans explored the moon, studied it, but then everything stopped. But humans were not done yet. NASA announced a new program, Artemis program, named after the sister of Apollo in Greek mythology. The goal was to send humans to the moon. They will stay there and then they will come back home at Earth. And after then, we will prepare for Mars. Before sending humans, NASA had to test everything. That is when Artemis I mission happened. And in that mission, no humans were on board. It was just a spacecraft going into deep space. It was launched on the most powerful rocket ever built, and it was Space Launch System, and inside it was Orion spacecraft. And what it captured was unreal. For the very first time in decades, a spacecraft traveled far beyond Earth's orbit. And the biggest test was, could Orion survive coming back at 40,000 km per hour speed? And the answer was yes, it returned. This was a successful mission. Now everything changes. NASA announced on April 1st that they are going to send humans back to the moon. Artemis II started. For the first time since the Apollo program, humans will leave low Earth orbit. The journey begins with a massive explosion of power. The Space Launch System lifts off, shaking the Earth, carrying four humans into the sky. Within minutes, they leave Earth's atmosphere and then they see something only a few humans ever have. Earth from space with their own eyes. As they travel further, Earth becomes smaller, smaller, and then smaller until it becomes just a glowing blue dot. This is the same amount of experience during Apollo 8 Earthrise. Imagine standing near the moon and suddenly Earth rises above the horizon. A blue world full of life, floating in complete darkness. No borders, no countries, just one planet. Then comes the silence. They move behind the moon. No communication with Earth. No signals, just darkness. Space here is different. No atmosphere, no light pollution. Stars appear sharper, brighter, infinite. It's not like the sky we see on Earth. It is something far more real and terrifying. Many astronauts experience something called overview effect, a moment where they realize Earth is tiny, humanity is one, everything we fight for doesn't matter. Artemis II is not the end, it is the beginning. Now they are coming back to Earth, and our next mission is humans will land on the moon again. Actually, on this mission, it was decided that they will not land on the moon. NASA will start Artemis III mission, and on that mission, we will again land on the moon. We are just doing test drives. For 50 years, humans stayed close to Earth, but now we are going back, not just to explore space, but to understand who we are, because when humans look back at the Earth, they don't see our planet, they see our home and hope.